Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, second flight ever on this. And if you're watching me fly this for the first time, you say, well, wait a minute, you've had this before. Yes, I have. This is my second 90mm Avanti. The first one on my third flight, which there was no video on it, I came back and the retracts were going like that. And the flaps were going up and down independently of each other. They were just doing this number here. I sent that video to FMS and they said, you got the box? I said, yeah. They said, send it back. Here's a shipping label and we're going to send you out a brand new one free of charge. And I said, thank you. Great customer service. As long as you communicate with them and show them pictures of what's going on, they're going to work with you. Now, if you've flown the plane 10 times and then you're having problems, well, maybe it's something you did. But anyways, just, you know, be up front with them, show them what's going on, and they'll work with you in some way, shape, or form. All right, folks, thank you for watching. That's the FMS Avanti. Let's take her up for the second flight ever on this one. I'm getting ready to close it, and I'm going to start it. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor's on, timer set for 4 minutes. I wish I could keep this on the dashboard. That'd be great. And 100% throws, 30% expo. Wind is out of the west, so that works out great. I wish the wind was out of the east because I'd rather land from the west, but you take what you can get. KM model afterburn there, they're version 5. Thank you, KM models. Alright. This is just one absolutely fabulous flying jet, sport jet. I mean, it's an Avanti. They fly good, period. Alright. Get some takeoff flap action going on. Take off close to my center line. Love that KM model afterburner, that purple flame whenever she's at full speed. She goes yellow, then blue, then purple. A little bit down elevator needed. A little more down elevator. Oh, up. Just a touch up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just cruise along. Not trying to do anything too crazy. All right, we're going to take it up now. Full speed.
Retracts deployed. Landing flaps.
Gonna fly her by dirty.
2 minutes.
Alright, make sure everything's dirty. Very manageable with the flaps down.
Flaps are up.
All right.
Cruise mode.
I love that deep throaty 90mm. That grass is thick. See how much those gear disappear? And I don't want to try grass offs because them skirts are going to grab that grass. We're going to do a stall test this time. No takeoff flaps.
Stop. 1 minute.
Okay, you're flying along. All of a sudden you lose power. Holding up on the elevator, holding up. Kind of keep it level the best I can. All right, she finally starts to fall down to right, a little bit on the right wing, but not too bad. Very predictable.
Landing flaps. Seconds. Hitting the brake. Take off flap cruise mode.
What a fabulous,
20 seconds.
fabulous flying plane.
Hitting the brake. Cruise mode.
Why don't you look at this afterburner? Alright.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
I love that call out I've got. Alright, we had 8 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. Okay. Flew her fairly hard. I am so much impressed with this plane and so impressed with FMS customer service. Check the battery real quick. Okay. 41%. So really, I could go up again. I'm not going to. I like to get my battery down 30-40%, so I'm happy with that. Folks, I just want you to take a close look. I'm going to bring the plane to you. And number one, my setup, pretty simple. Back down in there behind the battery, you can't see it, is an 8-channel AR 620T, 820T. I don't know. It's the 8-channel Spectrum receiver that has safe and AS3X Plus. I upgraded to the AX3S Plus. And the only thing I've noticed with AS3X Plus for me, now I'm sure there's other, because I'm sure I'm not taking advantage of all the features. The wind gyro, how she flies, it seems more intuitive. It's like the computer can feel the air a little bit better, and it keeps that plane a little more locked in and flying nice and level. Doesn't impede you as a pilot, it just makes a lighter plane fly like a bigger, heavier plane. So where wind is not so much of an issue, which that in turn enables you more opportunity to fly in more windy days when normally you wouldn't take a foamy out to fly it, but you can because you got that AS3X that helps keep you locked in that heavy wind. And that's the whole point of it in the first place. But just look at that plane. Is that not a gorgeous plane? The belly light blinks, the 2 nav lights on the end of the wings blink, but the one on top stays a constant. Is the afterburner on? It should just be at a low. I have it set to where it's just a low idle. You can go in there and calibrate it to where it only comes on after like 20% or 30% or however way you want to do it. And you can change the different modes and colors. And with this version 5, you can set it to where if your battery starts going low and you don't have a call out or you don't have telemetry, it'll give you a start flashing on you, letting you know, hey, your battery's getting low. So that's a nice settings. That's why the KM model afterburners cost a little bit more. Number one, they're brighter, and number two, there's different settings and things you can do with them. But I don't explore them enough. I just hook them up and calibrate them initially with a ESC, and I'm done with it. I don't get that far deep into it. I probably should, since they want me to review them. But this is just to let you know, the fan, the ESC was perfectly calibrated. I didn't have to worry about that. I mean, I did calibrate it, but it was perfect. And immediate throttle response. Plane goes together with no glue. It's a great flying plane. This could be your first jet if you have warbirds under your experience and you use a safe receiver and you got someone to help you. I'm very cautious about making that claim because she is awfully fast. Maybe it shouldn't be the first jet, but it definitely could be your second or third jet after you've got some jet experience. I really shouldn't have said that. This could be more of a second jet because it does fly so well, so locked in. Just get a good AS3X wind gyro receiver in there, keep her locked in, and you'll have a blast with her. Great flying plane. She's just a little pricey. $569 is an awful lot for a flying beer cooler. But sorry, foamy guys. I know that's insulting, but hey, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. God is good, and that is the Avanti 90mm from FMS. Man, am I a happy camper. Bye, y'all.